Welcome to Hume AI, where innovation meets emotion. Let's explore the future of AI-driven emotional intelligence. Meet EV13, the next frontier in AI empathy. Discover how it can transform interactions with its advanced emotional understanding. Explore our flexible pricing plans for Octave text-to-speech. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, we have options to suit your needs. Creating a new account is simple and quick. Join us to measure expressions of face, voice, and language with our cutting-edge API. Signing in is seamless with Hume AI. Connect with your Google account and dive into the world of emotional measurement. Help us personalize your experience by sharing a bit about yourself. Your journey with Hume AI begins here. Explore our featured voices, each crafted to bring your projects to life with unique emotional depth and clarity. Design your own custom voice with Octave. Tailor the emotional tone to perfectly match your project's needs. Define the emotional words that resonate with your audience. Customize your AI's emotional vocabulary for impactful communication. Engage in a conversation with your AI. Experience the seamless interaction as it understands and responds to your emotional cues. Test and refine the voice to ensure it sounds just right. Your feedback helps us perfect the emotional nuances. Now it's time to test your script. See how your words come to life with the emotional depth of Hume AI's voice technology. Choose the perfect voice for your project. Browse our library to find the one that captures the essence of your message. Select from our featured voices, each offering a distinct emotional profile to enhance your narrative. Preview and test your script to ensure it aligns with your vision. Experience the emotional impact firsthand. Make final adjustments to your script. Fine-tune the emotional delivery to achieve the desired effect. Finalize your script and prepare to share it with the world. Your journey with Hume AI is just beginning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.